Y'all know what time it is. It's time for a new wig install.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go.
Today I'm going to be installing this wig from Isee Hair. This is one of their M-cap wigs. Y'all already know how much I love their M-cap wigs. You can literally wear these wigs straight out the box. They come customized. You don't have to put any tape or glue on the hair, and it's nice and secure. This wig I am wearing completely glueless, as you can see, and it still looks and feels amazing. This hair also comes pre-styled, so it already came with the curls in the bottom. I did go ahead and curl the top of the wig, but you definitely don't even have to do that if you don't want to. So this is definitely lazy girl friendly. If you would like to see how I installed this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. I have a new wig from Isee Hair today. This is one of their M-cap wigs. Y'all already know how I feel about Isee Hair and their M-cap wigs. I absolutely love them. Everything from their princess collection always comes with this packaging, so everything is packaged really nicely. Your wig will also come with a wig cap and extra accessories like wig combs and elastic band. This is their layered body wave 26-inch lace closure wig. It also comes in this hair netting as well, and as you can see, the hair is already curled really pretty. So here is the closure. It does have a 9x6-inch HD lace closure. It has a pre-plucked hairline, and it has pre-cut lace, so you don't have to cut the lace off. It also comes with pre-bleached knots, so everything is customized and ready to go. And here is the inside of the cap. As you can see, it is 9 inches across the hairline and 6 inches back. It has this elastic adjustable strap, and it also has the C-shaped ear tab area, so your ears can comfortably fit behind the wig. The wig also comes with removable combs, one on each side and one bigger one in the back here. Instead of foundation underneath the lace, lately I've been going back to lace tint spray. I'm currently using this one in golden brown, and I really like this lace tint spray. I used to use this a few years ago, but I'm not sure why I stopped. So let's go ahead and throw this wig on. I am going to tighten the adjustable strap a little bit so it can sit nice and snug to my head. You don't want to give yourself a headache, but you definitely want it to be snug. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the strap first. Pull the wig back, and then we can go ahead and adjust the front to our liking. Oh, she's cute. Okay. So you definitely can wear it just like this, straight out of the box. Y'all already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in and just cut off these little extra pieces of lace, and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and just comb through these curls. I love it when wigs already come pre-curled, y'all, because it just makes things a lot easier. Like, then you can just go in and recurl some portions, and you don't have to do the whole thing. Or you could wear it like that straight out the box. Like, this wig looks super cute straight out the box, but I think I want to define the curls here just a little more. What do y'all think? I'm gonna take this hot comb and just run it through the top of the wig, just so this is nice and laid. And then I'm also gonna run it on the front perimeter of the wig as well. You definitely don't have to, but I'm gonna refresh some of these curls in the front a bit. So let's take this shorter section of hair right here. So I'm gonna take this Hot Tools curling iron, and I'm gonna curl away from my face, y'all. And I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of hairspray. Then I'm gonna do the same exact thing on this side. And then I'm gonna do just one more piece right here in the front. I'm gonna go around the curling iron this time. Not gonna hold it for too long. And then I'm just gonna repeat the same step on this side as well. Next, I'm going to take my comb. We're going to gently just comb that back. So if you comb out your curls and they fall like that, you didn't comb it right. So you want to take it, smooth it, and pull it. You can comb your curls to get them exactly how you want them. Smooth it out and pull it back. Just like that. Do y'all ever have days where you're curling your hair and it just feels like it's not turning out right? Yeah, that's the type of day I'm having right now, but this is about to be the last curl I do. So this step is definitely optional. Well, any step is optional, honestly. You can style your hair however you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little concealer down the parting. I normally use a flat brush for this, but I can't find it. I'm also gonna take a little bit of this Kerastase oil and just run it through the bottom part of the hair. And I'm also gonna take it on the very top too. I love the way this smells, and it adds a nice sheen to the hair, and it makes the hair feel more soft as well. Y'all, this wig install turned out super cute. I'm absolutely loving the way that this wig looks. It looks like I did a lot with my hair today, and y'all already know I barely did anything. If you would like to purchase this wig from Isee Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. If you haven't already checked out my latest video, you definitely wanna check out my Glassy AF updated skincare regimen. I'm gonna leave the link right here for you to go check it out. Your girl did a bunch of different angles and everything for that video, so I need y'all to go watch that next.